I just got some new memory for my computer. I'm upgrading from 8 gigabytes to 16 gigabytes. So I thought I would do a video, opening up the computer and popping in some new memory. Right, let's get started. Alright, so we have some Corsair Vengeance memory. Should be some good stuff. First thing, disconnect power. Second, remove battery. This is a Dell XPS 17-inch version 2 something or other. Came with 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes of memory. 2 4 gigabyte sticks. There we are. Have 2 hard drives. And there's our 2 sticks of memory we're about to replace. Wow. Okay, new memory. Should be grounded with the chassis. Old memory comes right out. And there we are. That's all it takes to change memory. How easy is that? Let's see here, just... Now we turn it back on, hope it doesn't blow up. And it's alive. And there we have it. 16 gigs of RAM. Cool.